Stop it now. Yung patintin ng lalaki, nahuhulog at saka nahuhulog or na... Morning guys. Let's see, I forgot to charge my phone last night, so now my battery is dead. Ang aga ko guys, nagising 4 o'clock. Hindi na ako nakatulog, balik sa ulo ko guys. Kailangan ko uminom ng tubig. Alam nyo ba, yung kapag masakit yung ulo ninyo, inom ng tubig guys, doon ko talaga na-realize yung tubig talaga guys, at sobrang tulong. Anyway, good morning. Tammy is working early today. Hintay lang ako ni Tammy, at si Tammy andun sa taas. Pagkatapos lang na nag-shower. Guys, it's so foggy outside. So, kailangan kong umalis dito mga aga din. Hindi masyadong hindi masyadong late. Kasi, yung pusa ko doon. Yung pusa kids ko guys. What? What now? I let you out and then you make too much noise. So, now what? What's the plan? What's the next steps in your life now? I let you in because you all go crazy. There's no more cat out there. It's early in the morning. There's no cat. No more outies. I don't know guys. I think before ako aalis, labhan ko muna yung bedsheets ni Tammy. Kasi wala siyang time. Oy. Hi guys. Roxy's hungry. Sabi pa niya kakain daw siya. Tignan niya. Akala niya treats. No, it's a food. Oh, it's a food. My husband. Hello guys, we're almost the same clothing. We have turkey. I'm hiding because I'm feeding them. That's their job. Rex, listen to Dada.
Come here. Come on.
Joke family.
It's not like we're asking you to pull a sled.
This dog, guys, it's very lucky that they get food, but it's picky. Love and marriage, love and marriage.
You ever like a horse and carriage?
Okay. Time check guys, it's 5:27 and it's really foggy outside, hon. You should drive careful, okay?
Yeah.
Drive careful. Don't smoke it. Do you want to eat something? Misty Paul's hiding from the food.
Go eat your food.
She's hiding from the food.
Go on, go eat your food. I know what she does.
Do you have an idea for an invention or new product?
I don't like that.
Do you want to try to
This is the morning.
Invent help now. Invent help.
You want to eat something?
Been paying half the friggin' night.
We look good together with this guys.
Professional materials
Look at that, we're twinning.
companies who are looking for
It's gonna get colder again
We have
tomorrow.
more than 9,000
Huh?
companies who agree to review ideas in
This
confidence.
is mad
If a
that
company
this is
shows
close to
interest
her
in
food.
manufacturing your invention, we can negotiate
go
on
there,
your
look out.
behalf. We have technology to show
Yummy,
you how
puppy,
to
yummy.
apply ideas to additional
Hey, puppy,
companies.
yummy.
Join the thousands of people. We are working with you. We are InventHelp. Get started with your idea. Call for free information. Call 1-800-518-257.
Puppy. Puppy, yuppy. Puppy, that's not for you.
You can sit on an egg without breaking. Okay, can I sit? Did it break? No. Look. Oh my, it's freezing.
Foggy guys, it's really foggy. Tingnan nyo naman. Wow, what a foggy morning it is, guys. Fog. What happened to your tongue?
I told you, I broke it.
Did you tell me yesterday? No, you didn't.
No. Too busy with other stuff.
My Santa Claus is still here. Even Christmas is done. Hub said, she called me this morning, croissants, croissants. That's what he said, croissants, croissants.
Don't forget the croissant with the turkey. Don't come home without it. If you're gonna come home without it, don't come home.
Oh my goodness, guys, my baby leaving. I'm going to leave later. Not that early today. I'm still going to wash your bed sheets. What is that really? Can you tell me again what is that for? The one that you turn on, the one that you got yesterday package.
Okay, that's an ionizer. It takes air, takes the pollutants in the air, dust, smoke, like that, cleans it with the HEPA filter and the ionizer. Then there's an ozone machine.
Okay, we can use that in our house in the future.
Yeah. And
what else?
There's an ozone machine. It attacks, you know, heavy pollutants. Puts ozone in the air to kill it, and then the ozone turns to oxygen. But the one coming today, this one's a...
Oh, there's another one coming?
Yeah.
Na-miss ko tuloy si Habs kapag may croissants ako. Na-miss ko yung anak ko. Kasi palagi yung andito. Tulog pa yung biyanan ko, guys. Matagal naman yung natutulog. Or magising kasi. Palagi yung matagal matulog. Andun lang sa kusina nakaganara. So, manglakaw mo, ugma. Ha?
Oo. Oo, ugma.
Nakagibuhat?
Nangbuhat mo sa bitsit. Bukat kayo kung patulog.
Unsa man ang bedsheet? Kato nang ako,
Dito, ang mga tukilukay.
Oh, kinsa naman nagamit tong ako?
Ha?
Kinsa naman nagamit tong ako,
Wala.
Kaya mama
Ba't
dyan.
nani? Ka nang naipong gamay?
Aw, nganong gilabahan man na nimo na may foam.
Wala ba nani? Ugo naman kayo.
Oh. Na din ko ha, pag naana.
Oo.
Anyway, feeling mo umutot ka, di ba? Feeling mo may utot. Ang nangyari, di ba? Utot, di ba? Feeling mo, sige, utot ka, wala namang kasama sa bahay. Ikaw lang na mag-isa, so, ano mo, ganyan. Kapag dahan-dahan mo, feeling mo, ba't hindi lumabas? Parang magahi, parang matigas. Early in the morning, guys. Ganito kasi iniisip ko kapag may mga ganun, may mga ganun, yung feeling mo umutot ka. At saka, ano mo lang kaunti yung puwet mo. At saka, hindi lumabas yung hangin. At saka, parang iba ata yung lalabas. You have to hold it. Oh, hindi ito hangin. Iba na to. Iba itong lalabas. Kaya ako ngayon, bye muna kasi punta ako sa bathroom. Bye, guys. Palabasin ko muna itong mga aso. And then, uwi na kami kasi yung pusa ko dun, guys. Hold on, let me check here. Cooking the asparagus. And that's really it.
Okay.
Huh?
You calling me from yourself? You calling me from your cell phone?
I'm not in the house yet. I'm still in the driveway.
Yeah, let me call you back in 2 minutes because let me get out of the way and I want the phone to get stuff like that.
Bye.
So give me 2 minutes to come back inside the car.
Yeah. Hello, Rox. Roxy is it's really sad, guys. Tignan nyo naman yun si Roxy, guys. Ang dirty ng lens ko. Tignan nyo. Hi, Rox. Roxy. Anyway, guys, I don't even say bye to my mother-in-law because you know what? She's still in bed and her bedroom is closed. She always closes her bedroom when she go to bed. Usually doesn't, but lately she's been closing her window. Hold on, it's time. So we're heading out, and Roxy and Misty is right here. It's another dog hunt. Stop it now. Stop it.
Stupid.
Yeah. They're kind of like They're kind of like... Okay, I'm just rearranging. Oh, you changed the mirror too.
Yeah, I have to. Right now it's not legal, so that's why I'm here to finish the car. But
You know what I noticed about the gas and in this car?
what's that?
If you use what is that, the speed control, how you call that?
Yeah, cruise control.
Yeah, cruise control. If you use that, eat a lot of gas, hon. Huh? No, but that's what I noticed. I don't use it now for 2 days. Well, from you know, from the last time, I still have a lot of gas.
It really shouldn't. The only thing the cruise control does is push the gas pedal, keep you at the same cruising speed. Pretty much.
There's a lot of pothole everywhere.
Yes, there is.
When I went to ShopRite yesterday afternoon, oh my god, it's like everywhere. I have to keep avoiding it, zigzagging everywhere.
So you driving now?
Yeah, I'm in the driving now, going to the exit to Hudson, whatever. Hudson. I kind of, you know, I feel, it makes me feel good driving that black car in this weather.
Why?
Because it's nice wheels, higher, stronger grip.
I feel like you try it. That car probably does better in the wet weather. The car
Yeah,
is better in snow.
I trust the car. I don't trust the wheels. Oh my god, it's crazy rain.
Drive careful.
I will.
Talk to you later.
Yeah, I love you.
Love you too. Bye, Anna.
Bye.
Bye, Bobby.
You hung up,
Bye,
okay?
Okay. Bye, Anna.
Bye. Nagutom ako, guys. So, walang ulan dito. Halfway sa walang ulan na. Pero ngayon, umuulan naman. May taligsik, may maliit na ulan. Pero, nagutom ako. Alam nyo ba kung anong ginagawa ko, guys? I have croissants right here in my side. So, I'm slowly getting my croissants. And yun, kumakain ako. At saka tinapunan ko si Roxy kasi tumitingin kasi doon, hindi kinain kasi ayaw niyang kumakain ng mga while in the car. Ayaw niya yun. So, okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. Alam nyo naman kapag nagutom ako, guys, parang yung pakiramdam ko ba makulaps. So, buti na lang dito ko nilagay yung croissant sa gilid ko sa passenger seat kasi alam na magutom ako, guys. Ay na magkulapsi tayo nito mag-drive, guys. At saka sleepy din ako, guys. 3 o'clock ako nagising, guys. Oy, kanina, oy. Oh my god, I need to pahid-pahid your foot again over here. Rocks. Eat your thing. Tignan niyo itong dalawa, guys. Iwan ko na lang. Because you have the bone and you don't wanna eat. You just want Roxy to like... Pagkalok-kalok ka. Tignan nyo, guys. Mga maldita. 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 Okay, Rox, you have over here. Don't give it to me, okay? Come here. Eat yours. Misty knows that Roxy gave it to me and Roxy wanna hide. Misty knows that Roxy wants to hide her bone. When Roxy walked closer to Misty, Misty get mad. She said, I know what you're trying to do. You're gonna take my bone. Like that. Like that. Slide si Dimples. Si Dimples yun, guys. Roxy, you fart again? Look, look. She farted. She sniffed her butt. Hey, you get embarrassed. Hey, you get fart. You farted. Tignan nyo. You embarrassed. Hey, you farted. Hey, you farted. Naglagot. Naglagot ka. Naglagot. 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 Tingnan na ka maglagot, Rox. Maglagot diya. Tignan niyo ako. I was trying to sleep on the couch. But, hindi ako makatulog. So, I'm going upstairs and just go to sleep up here. Kasi I'm really sleepy. Magbihis lang ako para komportable. Silang dalawa sleepy din. Ang aga ko kasi na gising kanina. Hi guys, nakatulog ako guys. 3 o'clock na. Hi little man! Habag! Habag! I'm going to marinate this guys. Para naman later, ano na siya. Marinated na siya. Yes, Mama's little prince. Oh, I love my prince. I love this cat so much. I feel bad. Dada is thinking about you, baby. He bought a lot of turkey for you. Look at the way she's lying down. No, Lord, dimple, 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 Lord. Oh, no, baby. Misty, get down. Hello, baby. Mama. No, no, my baby. Guys, I'm watching this history channel, guys. Nakakatawa talaga tong history channel, guys, kasi they're talking about orgies, you know, yung magme-mate yung hayop, yung mga hayop gumawa ng baby, mga ganyan. Guys, nakakatawa talaga pala, guys. Uy, itong mga hayop, uy, lalo na yung mga gorilla. Oh my god, nakakatawa, guys. Oh my god, yung snake din. Oh my god. Oh, yung bee, nakakatawa yung mga bee ba, mga bees, yung mga buyog, mabubuyog. Ay, guys, natawa ako, guys, sabra. Oh my god. Sabi pa nito, yung bee daw, pag maggawa sila ng baby, itong lalaki na bubuyog, mamamatay kapag while gumagawa siya, yung patintin ng lalaki, nahuhulog, at saka nahuhulog or broken ba, it's broken from the body, and then that's it, mapatay na guys. Iyon ang katapusan talaga. Sabi pa, maririnig daw ng tao yung pagkaputol ng patintin ng lalaki. Mga ganito ba? Ano gano'n? Maputol daw talaga yan din. Mahulog na. Doon mahulog yung katawan niya. Doon sa lupa. Patay. Did. Gumagawa ng baby. Mapapatay pagkatapos. Kawawa naman. Hindi lahat. Hindi lahat. Look at guys. Dimples watching TV guys. Because I have the Animal Planet there. Right there. And look who's watching TV. Holy cow, Dimples. He is, I mean, I'm not kidding, honey. I'm not kidding, honey. He is really watching. I think they enjoy the animals that they see in the freaking TV.
Yeah, well, they're animals.
Hala, uy. Dimples is really watching, honey. Like, she is laying down in your couch, honey, in top of the freaking blanket. He is staring over there and his ears just like keep looking. The bird, the monkey, the whatever. Hubs, I don't know where's Hubs right now. Hold on. Hi guys, kain tayo. Kain tayo guys. Sarap. Yung vegetables din. Very simple. Yummy. Ang salmon, sobrang sarap. Bakit kaya yung salmon no, sobrang mahal? Ang salmon talaga. It's the best. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung fish na na-miss ko din? Is yung tuna. Tuna, diba? Sa, maano yan sa Sarangani. Even sa kahit saan sa Mindanao, maraming tuna dun sa Bislig. Mga agoy. Surigao. Grabe. Grabing isda din yun. Anyway guys, i-end ko na tong video na to with Roxy. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, right, Rox? Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. We do appreciate it with Roxy Rox. You appreciate it, Rox? With the bouncy, right? You appreciate it with the bouncy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Thank you guys so much for watching, ha? Salamat. Salamat again, guys. And si Nay-Nay, Rox. Nay-Nay. Dada? Do you want to see Nay-Nay to Dada? Or do you want some bouncy? Oh. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, Tommy guys is doing unboxing.